Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today I'm just going to give you kind of an update on my spending pause. So this is how my tracker went from August 3rd to August 18th. Notice I didn't finish. And honestly, I'm okay with that. I found a crazy good garage sale up in Iowa, and it actually gave me the opportunity to also visit my family, which I hadn't seen in a long time. So I did as many projects as I possibly could prior to going to visit. So I got 34 projects done. And you know what I did the moment I got back? I started a new tracker! Woohoo! Now, notice the difference here. I was going more for aesthetics here. I wanted the black and yellow stripes. But then I saw somebody who was actually putting down what they did. I felt like doing so many projects a day, I was losing track on how many pieces I was filling out. So I decided this time around I would just color them in yellow, which I'm going to do right now because I just finished a layout. And then I'm going to write in black what project I finished. That way I don't get confused. And I'm okay if I get confused, I just add another hexagon, or I choose not to add another hexagon. I mean, this is for me personally, this is a personal challenge, so I don't really care. But you can see I spent money between the 19th through the 21st. And that's it. You know what I didn't do? Buy anything on my list. Dang it! So, my goal for next time is to use my Scrappy planner to actually track what I want to buy. You know what? I think what I'm going to do is put it on the back of here. Why not, right? This is where I'm tracking it, so let's do that. I'm going to go ahead and just do it in blue-gray. Doing gray. So these are my wants. So I want 4 mini crates from Walmart. I want that new boy collection by Cartabella. Right now it's currently up for pre-order until September. So I got a long ways to go. Hopefully I can knock out a whole bunch. Okay, so there's that new boy collection that I want to get. 5x7 bags. I ordered them and I have no idea where they went. They were supposed to be delivered the 20th and can't figure it out. My goal is to organize my stamps. Right now, it's a hodgepodge of a mess and I am not a fan. So I gotta figure out a different system. So there's that. Then, I want clear transfer sheets. Oh, and then 49 in Market has come out with some new film strips and those kinds of things that are in color. Now, I can make my own stamps, and I can make my own film strips, both with dies. So I'm debating on if I want the rub-ons or not. So what I think I'm going to do is just put 49 in Market color sets. Not sure what colors I want yet. I really need to go through, try my dies out, see if that's what I want to do instead. And then I'll come back to this one. That's why there's a question mark there. What's sad is that I've had these things on my want list since I started here. The 3rd. And I was an idiot, spent all this money this weekend, and then didn't get what I actually wanted. Now, to be fair, I found some pretty neat stuff. So, one thing that I've been building, and so this is just going to be a show and tell, is a Prince kit. I have a little boy. He's my little prince. I haven't made a layout with it yet, but now I have everything that I possibly could need. Right? I don't even know where I picked this stuff up from. I just, you know, think I got this thing for free. Look it! So I got this in a gift, exchange, and then this was in something, I don't know, like, okay. So then I added, of course, the Once Upon a Time by P13. Holy crap. Can I just say, look. Oh my goodness, okay. And look at this, actually matches that Serenity too. I could totally use the Serenity collection with that. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty that is. Look at. Now, I think they try to get this to be gold, but it's not sparkly. It's more of a wash. Look at how pretty that is. And then you just kind of got a basic there. That's fine. Oh, look at that story-based page. Oh my goodness. And then you got white roses. And then you've got another story-based page. And a red. I don't quite get this green thing there, but I don't really care. And then look at the castle. Oh my gosh. I am blown away. And then I think we start over again. I think that was the very back page. Yep. So, very, very, very excited about this paper pack. Very excited. I've used it once for a gift exchange as well. And that's okay. And then I've been trying to collect this collection specifically since I saw it. And so I have a sticker sheet. And then I have this is gold foil paper. And then, this is what I'm really excited about. I found the collection pack. Yes, I had to pay this $17, but I have been searching for this collection pack. This is back in, looks like maybe 2016 here. I don't know. 2014 maybe. I don't know. It's an old one. Because it included foil. I didn't know Echo Park included foil in their collection packs. So, I am really excited that I found these. And then I collected these. See, again, I'm trying to get everything from this Once Upon a Prince. I collected these from a friend who was selling, and I was like, well, yes. So, I have now completed my collection for the Once Upon a Prince / Prince stuff. And now I get to go make things with it. And what's great is I have duplicates. I love that. I don't normally get duplicates, but I got duplicates. And now I have more ephemera to play with. And I've got these things. And I've got this stamp set. See, I've been working on getting this together for quite some time. Look at these little guys. Oh, they're so cute. Anyway. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm really excited. So I get to play with this. I'm glad I spent the money that I did. Yes, it was too much money. But I got things that I'm absolutely stinking excited about. And now, I get to do this all over again. So that I can get the things that I actually meant to get that are practical. This is fun stuff. That was fun things. Now I gotta go practical. Darn it. Now, one thing that I'm kind of like boo-hooing about is Hobby Lobby is having their clearance sale right now. And their paper studio is half off as well this weekend. Oh, it's gonna be real hard not to go to Hobby Lobby when I know their clearance is going on and I need more albums. But album can wait. I'll just put my layout in a pile, even though that drives me nuts. It can wait. I don't need any more dies and stamps. I have plenty. I don't need them. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's my problem comes from when I see an amazing deal. Last weekend, Felicity Jane was having their annual birthday sale, so they had grab bag boxes. I watched a YouTuber who got the box, and it was the same stuff from last year. So I'm personally glad that I didn't get that box. Echo Park has a warehouse box sale every 3 months, their boxes, and then they have a warehouse sale every month otherwise. So I'm okay missing out on that sale because I know it's consistent. The one thing that might break me is if Simple Stories comes out with one of their boxes. I have been extremely happy spending my $65 to get an entire collection from the Simple Stories boxes. Absolutely flabbergasted in the amount of product I have gotten. That one might break this. Do I need more? No, absolutely not. I do not need any more supplies. But I love the thrill of the hunt. I love shopping. I love collecting and organizing and all those things, and so it's like a second hobby for me. But I also love losing my stuff. Clearly, I love using my stuff. I mean, it's only been a couple days. Today is the 26th when I'm filming. I clearly love using my stuff. So, a lot of people had questions about what I actually consider a project. So I thought it would also be a good idea. I started a new tracker. This is a new project. Sweet. I cleared my desk. I cleared a box. I cleared the box swap. I made a card. I cleared bags. What did I bags? I don't remember on that one. Bags. I made a plain kit. I made a gift box. I made a card. I made a layout. I separated a kit. So I didn't even make anything, but I still enjoyed my product, put it into other things. I made a layout, and I did a star template on my scan and cut. I made stars so that I can have them bigger than just 6 inches that goes through my die cutting machine. So those kinds of things, any little project that can be a part of a layout or touching my supplies, reorganizing them. I think I redid the way my shelves look right here above me, and so that was one of these squares. Anything that got me into my room doing and accomplishing anything, essentially, landed as a hexagon on here. Very flexible. This is for me. It's not for anybody else. I'm just sharing what I'm going to do to try to be successful. Honestly, I think 15 days is the longest I've gone without spending. That's a problem. Yikes. That's a big problem. 15 days without spending? That's the longest I've gone? Holy cow. And I didn't spend a single penny on scrapbooking stuff. I didn't do it. I'm proud of myself for not doing it. Now, back to here. Can I make it to 50? Simple Stories don't come out with their stuff until October. Please! Please! And I have a feeling they've been doing seasonal boxes, so they'll probably do like a fall/Christmas. I don't need any more of that. I need to sell or get rid of or donate or do something with what I have already, but we'll see. This month, I think I'm going to start a new project with a book that I've been putting off for a while, and we're going to talk more about that coming up, so look out for that. Next month, I have an exciting announcement, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 750 subscribers, please. Just click the subscribe button. It's free. It won't clutter your inbox. Doesn't do anything like that. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.